to Vengeance Airsofters. I'm Cheesecake, my cameraman.
Scorpio.
And today we're going to do a USP Co2 test on that ladder right there. And I think I got 10 rounds right now, safety. So right now I'm going to head on to shooting, alright?
Okay. Wow. Oh, he's up.
Well, as you can see, it's really accurate and it's really heavy. I recommend you getting this gun. It's only $70 Canadian, or you can order it online at www.vengeanceairsofters.com. They have a black version, which is like $60, and a clear version, which is $50. Thank you for watching.